Let's make this versatile, fragmented circle shape. Start off by inserting the hollow circle shape. Resize the shape to 12 centimeters for both width and height. Then adjust the width of the circle band using the yellow dot, which appears when clicking on the shape. Then move the shape to the left side of the slide and duplicate it. Next, insert a rectangle shape. Resize it to 12 centimeters for height and 0.6 centimeters for width. Then, give the rectangle a different color. Move the rectangle on top of your duplicated circle. Use the Align drop-down to ensure that both shapes are aligned at the center. Duplicate the rectangle and rotate the shape by 90 degrees. Place the rectangle in the middle of the circle. Again, use the Align drop-down. This time ensure that both shapes are aligned in the middle. Once all shapes are set, select the circle and both of the rectangles. Then go to the Shape Format tab. Click on Merge Shapes and in the drop-down, select Fragment. Delete all of the fragments in the inner circle, as well as the remnants of the rectangle shapes. Once only the 4 big circle fragments remain, select them all and group. Move the fragmented circle, as well as the original circle, to the center of the slide. Again, use the Align drop-down to make sure the shapes are aligned in the middle and at the center. Once that is done, ungroup the 4 circle fragments again. In a next step, pull all 4 of the circle fragments out, as shown on screen. Use the red guiding lines to make sure they are evenly spaced. Afterwards, group all 4 circle fragments again. Now repeat the alignment of both circles in the middle and at the center. For more dimension, select all the shapes and give them a shadow. Choose the type of shadow based on your preferences. Your base shape is now finalized, and you can move on to the design. Select colors to your liking or based on brand colors. If you want to type text into the circle fragments, make sure that it is formatted correctly. If the text is not yet vertical, do a right-click on the circle fragments and select Format Shape in the appearing drop-down. Follow the steps shown on screen to get to the text box menu. Once there, click on the text direction drop-down and select Rotate all text by 270 degrees. Since all shapes are grouped, you can also easily adjust the size by changing the values for width and height under Shape Format. The shapes are versatile. Another way to use them is shown on screen. This could be used for agendas, processes, or a topic overview. Arrange the circles to your liking and adjust the colors to fit your needs. Always make sure to keep the original shape on a backup slide so that no work gets lost during your different slide creations. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.